Hello dear subscribers. Today I will show you how you can easily connect your portable dynamic with your Android device. So for doing this you just need to go to the settings. So just open here settings, and in settings you need to find Bluetooth. So just open Bluetooth, and here you will find your portable, here you can see my JBL Go. It's portable dynamic. So you need to check if you turn on it. If not, just turn it on. So just click on power, and after you will see light, it means that it's successfully turning on. And now you just click on one portable dynamic and just wait until it will successfully connect to your device. So if not, just try to reconnect Bluetooth. So just click on Bluetooth and just wait some time, and just click again on JBL. So here you can see that it's successfully connected to our device. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.